In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write in Evernote. Whether you're new to Evernote or looking to brush up on your note-taking skills, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open Evernote. You can do this by finding the Evernote app on your device or accessing it through your web browser at Evernote's official website. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the main hub for all your notes and notebooks. The interface is sleek and user-friendly, providing an intuitive experience even for beginners. Next, you'll be looking to start a new note. To do this, you'll need to locate the green plus New Note button. This button is typically situated at the top of the left panel. When you click on it, it signifies your intention to create a new note and sets the stage for capturing your thoughts. If you're wondering why this button is prominently placed, it's because creating notes is the foundational action in Evernote, and the platform is optimized to make this process as seamless as possible. Once you click the plus New Note button, a blank note will appear right in front of you. This space is where your creativity truly begins to flow. You can start typing immediately, capturing anything from meeting notes, to-do lists, personal reflections, or even your next big idea. The beauty of Evernote lies in its flexibility, allowing you to tailor each note precisely as you see fit. Whether you're jotting down quick reminders or drafting detailed documents, this blank canvas is ready to accommodate your needs. A few tips to keep in mind as you begin. Take advantage of Evernote's rich text formatting options. You can bold text, create bullet lists, highlight important points, and much more, enhancing both the clarity and presentation of your notes. If you're using Evernote on a desktop or laptop, keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow, allowing you to format text or create new notes with simple key combinations. Remember that each note you create is automatically saved as you type, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. This auto-save feature is particularly useful for those moments when you're juggling multiple tasks and might forget to hit the save button. Your notes are stored securely in the cloud, accessible wherever you have internet access. Writing in Evernote is all about finding a process that works best for you. Feel free to experiment with different note-taking styles and formatting options until you discover what enhances your productivity and creativity the most. That's it for our tutorial today. Experiment with these tips, personalize your notes, and let Evernote transform the way you organize your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and happy note-taking.